How to grow taller quickly. How to become taller in no time. In this video, I will tell you 5 simple yoga poses to increase height in no time. First one is hand to foot pose. Stand straight and tall with your feet together and shoulders rolled back. Make sure that your chest is puffed out. Also tighten abdominal muscles and suck the belly button in. Now breathe in and stretch your arms straight overhead. Breathe out and bend forward slowly in such a way that your head touches your knees and your hand touch your feet. Hold the posture for 30 seconds and return to the first position. Number 2 is wheel pose. Lie on your back with the knees bent and the feet close to the buttocks onto the floor. At the same time, it is important to keep your feet parallel and hips width apart. Fold your arms from your elbows and bring the palms underneath your shoulders. Now lift your head off the floor while straightening your arms. Straighten your legs slowly and hold the posture for 30 seconds. Number 3 is tree pose. Start by standing straight on the floor with your feet 2 inches apart. Also fix your eyes on a point in front. While breathing out, fold the right leg from the waist and place the foot on the inner side of your left thigh. Ensure that your heel is touching your left. Breathe in and stretch your arms upward. Join the palms in the form of prayer. Keep inhaling and exhaling deeply while pulling the abdominal muscle in and expanding the spine upwards respectively. Hold the posture as long as you are comfortable with it. Now breathe out slowly while bringing the arms down by your sides and the right foot down the breast. Repeat the steps by using the other foot. Number 4 is mountain pose. Stand erect on the floor with your feet slightly apart and your arms at the sides of your body. Your weight must be evenly distributed on your feet. Breathing in deeply, stretch your arms straight overhead and interlock your fingers. Lift your heels off the floor, feel the stretch in the region from your toes to your fingers and hold the posture for as long you can. Number 5 is triangle pose. Stand erect on the floor with your feet together, hands at the sides of your body and head straight. While breathing in deeply, move your legs 3-4 apart. Stretch your arms straight out to the sides and bring them in line with your shoulders. They should also be parallel to the ground with the palms facing downwards. Extend the right foot outward and turn to the left foot slightly inward while keeping the knees straight. Now bend the trunk to the right side slowly and steadily without going in the forward direction. The right hand should reach the right ankle with the palm resting on the floor, but do not force it anyway. Hold the posture for 30 seconds.